To automate Debank historical data, you need to start by understanding what Debank is and the type of data it provides. Debank is a platform that provides financial data and analytics for decentralized finance applications. The first step is to create an account on Debank and get familiar with its interface and the type of data it offers. Once you have an account, you need to identify the specific data you want to automate. Debank provides a wide range of data including transaction history, token balances, and portfolio values. Determine what data is relevant to your needs and focus on that. The next step is to explore the Debank API. The API provides a programmatic way to access Debank data, allowing you to automate the process of fetching historical data. You can use programming languages like Python or JavaScript to interact with the API. To use the API, you need to obtain an API key from Debank. This key is used to authenticate your requests and ensure that you are allowed to access the data. With the API key in hand, you can start making requests to the Debank API to fetch the historical data you need. A key concept to understand when automating Debank historical data is pagination. Because Debank has a large amount of data, it is often paginated, meaning that only a certain amount of data is returned in each response. To get all the data, you need to make multiple requests, each time specifying the page number or offset. Practical examples of automating Debank historical data include using Python libraries like requests to make API calls and pandas to store and analyze the data. You can also use scheduling tools like cron jobs to automate the process of fetching data at regular intervals. Best practices for automating Debank historical data include handling errors and exceptions, logging requests and responses, and storing data in a secure and scalable way. It is also important to check the Debank API documentation for any usage limits or requirements. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully automate Debank historical data and gain valuable insights into decentralized finance applications. Remember to always check the official Debank API documentation for the most up-to-date information, and to ensure that your automation scripts comply with Debank terms of service.